Hello, my name is Ashwin Pai. I have a team called Varna Events who make this function a successful function. So this is called as Micro Expo 21. This is basically for companies who want to make a name in the market, and we are here with a lot of new stalls here. So yes, so we have Jyoti Cycles, we have Artha Honda, we have Modern Kitchens, we have VJ Pro Sounds, we have Landlings, we have Vertex and Luxila Digitals who have considered to sponsor an event and make it a better event, yet another better event. So the reason why we held it on November 14th was it is a Children's Day, and for children we are planning to keep a function down at the amphitheater. So the function will be this, it will be talent show and dance programs, and then finally Rhythm and Beats Music School is going to perform. There are two singers who are going to come. One is Satvik Ganesh and one is Shivam Sudhir, who are going to perform a music, and the children will be performing all about their talents and interests. They will be presenting on the stage. So in this Micro Expo, we have food, we have beverages, we have art, we have accessories and a lot more other stuff which are going to be presented in this exhibition. So I request all the Mangaloreans to come and have a look at a flea market, to come and explore the Micro Expo 21.
Hello everyone, this is Ashwin here. I'm actually representing from the Modern Kitchen side. So I'm very happy here to be a part of this pretty good event. So I think this is my first event here, but they have organized it very good. You can see lots of stalls putting up here. Then we have seen a good number of crowds here. So actually coming to the brand of Modern Kitchens, it was actually established in 1984. And we are around in and around Karnataka, and we even export our things to many foreign countries like Australia, UK, USA, Canada, so many more than. And we are here with around 50 items with us, so 50 different kind of snacks. Then coming up with pure ghee sweets. That's the main specialty from our end. Then coming up with the snacks, kind of banana chips, potato wafers, the bundi masala. Those are mainly the export quality things we are having. So to taste all these items, you can just visit our store, which is right now present in Car Street, right near the school book company. It is called Sugandhi Food Retail. So you can visit there and taste all the items. Thank you.
We welcome you all with your friends and family to this Micro Expo program. So thank you.
Thank you for watching AroundMangalore.com channel. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.